Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we're going to do a very unique comparison that everybody has been talking about. To my right over here, we have a Cybertruck that arrived to the shop today. He just took delivery of it 2 days ago, and this is the reality of what we're dealing with as Cybertruck owners, and the biggest challenge are fingerprints. As you can see, the rear door edge, the front door, it's absolutely full of fingerprints. And this is because obviously he's been enjoying his Cybertruck, probably sharing it with friends and family. A lot of people getting in and out of it. This truck's only 2 days old, and take a look at what's going on over here. This is a major problem. The Cybertruck is a fingerprint magnet. It's beautiful, it's cool. I love the stainless steel. I love the vision and everything behind it. But these fingerprints, after 2 days, which means it started immediately, it's impossible to keep up with. And it's very hard to clean. A lot of people online are talking about different techniques, whether they're using Barkeeper's Friend and Windex and different types of solutions. Really? Is this what we have to go through to enjoy our Cybertruck? Have all these different abrasives and chemicals to keep it clean? That's unacceptable in my opinion. And I think most of you will agree. Here's the answer. The answer is, if you want to go ahead and keep your Cybertruck to its truest form, to enjoy it with that beautiful stainless steel appearance, you should wrap your Cybertruck using T-Max Stealth PPF. First and foremost, this is PPF, paint protection film, normally used for painted cars, and it does wonders for a Cybertruck. And even though our Cybertrucks are bullet resistant, baseball bat resistant, throw anything you want at it resistant, the fingerprints are an issue, and the stainless steel has some other issues too, about small little rusting dots and other concerns out there. And also, just to reiterate, the stainless steel is very hard to keep clean, not only on fingerprints, on everything. If you wrap your Cybertruck using our T-Max Stealth PPF film, you're going to enjoy the original look, a little bit more muted, a little bit more satin. I actually think it looks better, less of a sheen. But the best part is, it's very easy to clean up. Soap and water. And you know what, guys? No fingerprint marks. It just doesn't happen. And this is going to give all of us a really good peace of mind. It's going to be very easy for cleanup. The film comes with a 10-year warranty, which is probably longer than most of us will even keep our Cybertrucks. So for the next 10 years, easy cleanup, protect the stainless steel, and enjoy your Cybertruck without any headaches. So as soon as we're going to be done with wrapping this Cybertruck in T-Max Stealth PPF, this customer also wanted to change his wheels. Because take a look, guys, this is what we're getting. No aero covers. This is the wheel. No lug nut covers, no center caps. This is the way we are taking delivery of our current Foundation Series and Foundation Series Cyber Beast trucks. Unfinished, quite frankly, not the best look. For a very affordable amount, this is a great solution. These are our TCT Flow Forged wheels. These wheels come to be enjoyed in two different unique ways. With aero covers on them or without. You can decide. Put the aero covers on, take them off. This is what it looks like when they're off. It's very similar to the original wheel from the Cybertruck, but these are stronger, they are lighter, and that's because they're flow forged. The reduction in unsprung weight that these wheels are going to give you in comparison to what comes with our Cybertrucks is going to help you with range and performance. So you can go ahead and install these wheels using the 20-inch tires that come with your Cybertruck. These wheels are designed to accept the TPMS sensors inside, and also go ahead and use the original Cybertruck lug nuts to mount them on the truck. Affordable, quick, easy, great solution instead of what it comes with. So what do you guys think? We've been putting out a lot of videos about wrapping Cybertrucks in color vinyl film or in color PPF. But what do you think about keeping it true to form? I absolutely love it. I think this is a really great solution. It's affordable. You could do a DIY kit yourself at home because it's quite easy to do. And we've got some great instructional videos on how to do that. Or you can come to one of our service centers in Los Angeles, California, or Atlanta, Georgia, and we could do it for you. Thank you so much for watching, Cybertruck fans. Your comments mean everything to us. We love you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I have so much more Cybertruck content coming your way soon.